Hello and welcome to the Responding to Exercise revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. In order for us to move during exercise, muscles need to contract. For muscle contraction to occur, energy is needed. Muscle cells carry out respiration to release energy from glucose. Therefore, exercise will increase the demand for energy. And during exercise, the human body reacts to an increased demand for energy. There are several changes that occur in the body during exercise. So for example, the heart rate increases, so there's more beats per minute and more blood is pumped around the body. This means that more oxygen and glucose is delivered to the muscle cells, more carbon dioxide is removed from the muscle cells and then from the body via the lungs. During exercise, the breathing rate increases, so there's more breaths per minute. This will increase the oxygen uptake and remove carbon dioxide faster. At the same time, the breath volume, i.e. the tidal volume, will also increase, so a larger volume of air is taken in per breath, and this increases the oxygen supply to the blood. Aerobic versus anaerobic respiration in muscles. Muscle cells will normally use aerobic respiration if plenty of oxygen is available, and the equation is shown below. So glucose plus oxygen produces carbon dioxide plus water. During exercise, if oxygen cannot be delivered quickly enough to the muscle cells, they will switch from aerobic respiration to anaerobic respiration. The equation for anaerobic respiration in animals is glucose being converted into lactic acid. And anaerobic respiration is the incomplete oxidation of glucose. During anaerobic respiration in muscle cells, lactic acid builds up, which has several effects. It lowers the pH in muscle cells, interferes with enzyme activity. Remember, each enzyme has an optimum pH. It causes muscle fatigue. As a result, the fatigued muscles will contract less efficiently and may stop contracting altogether. Lactic acid and the oxygen debt. The lactic acid that is formed during anaerobic respiration in muscles needs to be broken down. Deep and rapid breathing will continue to occur after exercise to take in additional oxygen to oxidize the lactic acid to carbon dioxide in water. This will be explained in more detail on the next slide. The amount of extra oxygen needed after exercise to oxidize the lactic acid is known as the oxygen debt. Mechanism of breakdown of the lactic acid. The heart pumps the blood, which flows through the muscles, transporting the lactic acid produced during anaerobic respiration within the muscle cells back to the liver. In the liver, the lactic acid is converted back to glucose using oxygen. Remember that the person will continue to breathe deeply and rapidly to take in additional oxygen. This glucose can either be converted to glycogen and stored in liver cells as an energy storage molecule, or used in aerobic respiration to produce carbon dioxide and water, releasing energy. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.